Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna talk about some sentences of previous exercise. In the previous exercise we talk about some personal pronoun and their verbs, and according to that we make some sentences that can help in your real life. So the first sentence in English is I am a student, and in German we said ich bin student. Yes, in German student, and also in English there is a student. There is no change in both words. So the second sentence is you are a man in English, but in German we said du bist ein Mann. Du bist ein Mann. Ein as a, du as you, and are as bist, and man as man. So du bist ein Mann. If we say you are a woman, then we said du bist eine Frau. Du bist eine Frau. I hope you understand sentences and their words and also the meaning of the words, and these are also shown on the screen, right? Now the next sentence is he is a boy. He is a boy. In German, boy, in English the word boy, but in German we said Junge. Junge. If you watch my previous video in which we talk about all the alphabets in German, in which we said J pronounced as J. So according to that, we pronounce this word Junge, and the complete sentence is ist ein Junge. He is a boy. He in German is is as ist, a as ein, and boy as Junge. If we say this sentence in German properly, we said ist ein Junge. Junge, right? I hope you understand all these words and meaning of these sentences. There is a one note that all the nouns, if they can start with capital, no matter in end, in middle, and in start, they all are starting with capital letter. Okay. So the next sentence is we are here. We are here. In German, we as wir and are as sind, and definitely the word is sind, but due to the rule, if any type of alphabet with used with any type of vowel letter, then we said s as z. So we said wir sind, and the next word is here, and in German we said hier, hier, right? So we said wir sind hier. Okay, I hope you understand this sentence. So the next sentence is you are beautiful, right? You are beautiful. This is an English sentence, but in German we said Sie sind schön. And definitely Z used for you by informal way, by formal way, I'm sorry, and R as sind, and actually shown is used for nice, and in that case we use also for beautiful, so that's why we said Sie sind schön. All the words that I can use in these sentences are already discussed in the previous. The next and the last sentence is you guys are the best, and in German we said hier seid die Besten. Yes, best as besten, right? And there are many words in German that we can use as in English, and in English there are many words we can use in German. So don't confuse by that. Just practice and try to make more sentences by that, by use these personal pronoun and verbs. I hope you understand all the sentences and all the meanings of the words. Please like, subscribe and share, and if you have any type of question related to this video and related to previous videos, please comment on the comment section. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.